they got the car competition out here. We don't need an extra speaker to keep something going. Yeah, y'all know what's going on, man.
Yeah, dude, I've been doing this shit. So
hey, I got my shirt on and all. See? Black Money Empire. This is one of the first shirts we ever made right here. Hey. On the back it says, "Be and me the way." You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know what's going on, man. Y'all make sure to give a shout out to the cameraman, man. He ain't doing this thing. He's sweating, working hard, man.
Shit. I'm cameraman. I'm a little bit of everything.
You said a little bit of everything.
I'm a little bit of everything.
Oh, man, mufflers, paint. You call us, we coming. You know what I'm saying? You like me? I'm
hey, if you need it, I will do it. Fuck that.
I got you. That's right.
Hey, if you need it, I will do that shit. I got you for the low. Best prices in town. Fuck that.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get in.
Hell yeah, that shit hit me. I was like, what the fuck? What's up, guys? D-Lo Higgins here, back with another fucking video for y'all. So look, before I start this, I need y'all to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Sorry, I got a little tongue twisted. What's up, guys? I swear, I tried to get this shit done earlier when there was more daylight outside, but of course, things don't always go the way you want them to go, so it's okay. But anyway, I got a quick little unboxing for y'all. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the plan was to throw 2 of those gravity subs inside of the coffin. It is up under this tarp. It's right there. I have it standing up because I needed to dry out. Oops, I wasn't supposed to show that. I have it drying out over there because I fiberglassed it and shit. So, but unfortunately, I'm going a different route. So, and now I'm not doing 2 subs. I'm only doing 1, which hence this box that I had over here that, if y'all were paying attention to the side instead of looking at me talk, y'all would have saw it. Okay. Y'all see it. Audiopipe TXX BDC415D2. Oh. I'm gonna be honest, I already opened the box. I opened the box simply because I wanted to see what it looked like. The pictures online do it no justice whatsoever. When I tell you no justice, bruh, no justice. This is by far the sexiest sub that I've had, honestly. Now, let's go ahead and just bust this open. I already cut it. Already cut both boxes. Shit like that. Zoom out a little. Now, of course everybody done did a review on this speaker. Everybody. I go online and I see, I don't know how many reviews. I really don't care. I'm gonna do my own just because. But you get, now this is by far the nicest. This is the first that I've seen. You get a cut sheet with each different kind of wiring diagram for the speakers. This is where I'm gonna be, right there. No, that's not where I'm gonna be. Where am I at? I seen it earlier. 4 on. No, that ain't it. Hold on. Now looking at this, I don't know. There was something that did that. Yeah, I feel like I'm missing something. Because 2 ohm, a dual 2 ohm wired in parallel should give you a 1 ohm load. This isn't showing that. So, but anyway, yeah, little, cut sheet. You know how to mounting depth. Measurements over here. They really did a decent job with that. Is this wet? Nope, it's not wet. Cool. You put that right over there. Top part. Then of course in here. Ooh. Like I said, I already opened it. I went through the unit, owner's manual, all of that. This by far is the thickest one I've seen. It has English and Spanish, but still, you get a little sticker in there. Allen key, card. Now I did see on somebody's review, they got some mounting screws. I didn't get no mounting screws with mine, unfortunately, but boo-hoo. Now here comes the fun part, trying to take this thing. Oh man, trying to, oh. Well, I'm not gonna lie, this right here just, hold on. I won't lie, guys. These connections, I kind of fuck with better than push terminals. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this one has single tensile links. This one has double woven, stitch. I don't fucking know. But dual, 2 of them, going on both sides. I fucks with that. I don't like these little shits. I feel like they break. They can't really hold. This is supposed to be 3,500. Supposedly. Fuck out of here. Piece of shit. Alright, I left it in the plastic because I got this down here and it was raining. But why is this out of focus like that? Didn't like that. Take this off. Boy, look at that. Look at this surround right here. Like this thing is audiopipe, faux stack. Now I'm gonna cut this camera off so y'all can actually see it. To avoid overheating, don't record more than 10 minutes of video. Alright. It's like, I think it's fiberglass if I'm not mistaken. But yeah. Nice little cone. I did notice this about everybody's. This different color up under the surround. Y'all see it. 2x2 ohm. Dual 2 ohm, baby. We got, I want to say, I could be wrong. Yeah, it looks like single spiders. Little tensile leads, single tensile leads. But, oh, look at this magnet. Faux stack. Now, see, when I was looking online, it said 4 stack. And I was like, there's no way that there's a stack. And I said that simply because I was looking at the sticker. And I thought that, I didn't know it was a sticker. I didn't know that. But now, seeing it in person, this is a faux stack. And I'm eager as fuck to put this in my car. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah. Mounting depth is 225 millimeters. I'm reading upside down, so that's 8 inches, 7/8. Dual 2 ohm. Sealed would be 3.9. What's that? 3.93. And then vented is 4.6. So 4.6 is actually right around my ballpark because my VXFs, I built, let's see, the first box was 3.25 cubic airspace, which is what they recommend for it. And then afterwards I was going to build the box for the 2 VXFs, but made it about a foot too big for my car, so I had to cut about a foot off. So that brought my airspace roughly to like 4 and some change, between 4 and some change and 5 and some change. Regardless, that is perfect for the sub. And then I still have the coffin over there, which is 6 Qs, which honestly I can't do nothing with. There ain't nothing I can do with it. If I want to run 2 of these, I can't do nothing. I need an 8 airspace inch box, and I'm not gonna be able to fit an 8 fucking air cubic box in my car. Just won't happen. But anyway, I'm gonna drop this thing in the car tomorrow, and shit, we gonna go from there. D-Lo, baby, we out. Oh, drop the phone. Or did I? Morning, yo. Birds are chirping. Trash trucks are picking up dumpsters. Everybody in my house asleep. That's here. So, took Black Project out the car. Cause I mean, shit, I've been up for a little while. Took Black Project out the car, and got the bullshit ass gravity set up blue. It's the first time I'm actually looking at it. You see the coils. I can't push down on it. I can push up. You see. And then this is what's going in the car. From my understanding, it has a black coil, faux stack. And then the difference, boy, look at the difference. The difference is impeccable. Like this is crazy. I don't know why my camera hasn't turned. Anyway, yep. Gravity sub, blown, trash. Don't buy it. If you want to spend $180, because that's what it is now, almost $200. If you want to spend $200 on a bullshit sub, by all means, get the Gravity Warzone. But please don't. That's all I'm gonna say. Please don't. Got crust in my eyes still. I just had to tell y'all that real quick. But anyway, I'm about to throw this BDC4 in the car. Go from there. Peace.